Utie oha echi ponkno. Needs FM.
The ana Neat FM. Mpanyimfo nyina sɛ ewia mama yakonya sɛ ne yakoso no yeso yemra hanom na yembekire ya adwen. It has not been easy. Media ejuma no fiti time easy start say ombeye simulation exercise no. Na medi me hu ehye mu. Because na the person me hu the trial situation no any the real situation no how anyama esibeko nti mbeka ya at the time omo yes our trial situations no mu frɛ ye and mu frɛ me wo phone so na me kire ma adwen sɛ ade no sɛ na esi kɔ no trial situation no enti sɛ the normal situation because in the trials no polling centers no were not congested beko yisi original office no na nkofo be say 10 omoti patanasi they are waiting to be registered anu sa no pressure bi enim nti awoma Ghana fo nyina hu say ade a friend is social distancing because of COVID-19 no omu udi so pa nti no bibia ebeko yie se na ye nyina yes ye den ye hwe no ana me kan say perminiam makohu no a actual situation things will be different. And I believe say munyina munim be adwen say nyame kan no enu na AC no. Na ade ba kwa mu ni say in research say person we research into BB na be you see sample size at least ebe ma results bi a obetumi aka say ebe near the actual situation. But we are not artificial just to achieve a certain aim. At the end of the day, no, we won't say different, and that is what we are seeing today. Already, no, isi no ni Ghana for afa dibrebi mua ama registration no din because you know say Ghana card no enye obiya ene Ghana card. Na mo ye nimpo no getting their ID cards no was a problem.
How was it a problem?
Because NIA for no were not ready to release the cards.
Honorable.
Yes.
I see our hand na NIA extra number of cards I out for now. And exchange so more extra me ahodo a omo ko check the rest of the cards and sana registration extra and ebane say no omo person be release cards.
And what TSC Jerusalem ana
there Benjamin Kwan Matthew.
How are when our bonting?
Say
unim say even as the registration exercise started. Na NI for Eddie cars na so much teacher. My sister. And you know, I'm for be crown cars.
But so according to EC ni data or the about a lot of the people who use NIA card need be registered.
Definitely. Na eya one.
Because NIA for now feeling reluctant to release the cards.
NIA card is the source document. Any passport, any your friends a guarantee. But guarantee is a difficult task.
How?
Oh, then you call polling station. Now say, minyano na mudi mechia. Na polling station any crowded. Now within 20 minutes, 30 minutes, may register qua. It will not be problem for the two. Guaranteeing. What you here? But some you call polling station. Now you call the whole day. Mumia no, mumbe jina no match me. Maybe so. That is the practical situation. Ube jina no match me. You will not. Because who jumaye. So that is the real challenger Ghana for FM. Especially those who use the guaranteeing system no. What you here? It is a real challenge. Obi be so line. Ebedu nusono. Only guarantors.
Munya complain bisa.
Oh. How the out studio. Me say ko abonti no ko hwe ne hesi.
Munya complain bisa definitely say ya abonti about say be sabakan wa.
Oh. More reporters ni yi na. They should ask questions. because guaranteeing system no obi feel say it is an easy thing to do but me more practical experience say work line from 4 a.m. now you say 7 o'clock 8 o'clock I was say we register now you have to stay till about 4 5 in the evening. What will happen to your guarantors? They'll leave you and go. And that is the real challenger Omu facing. But you see, that notwithstanding, Ghana for are determined to register. And if we may fide so at the Ghana for nyinaa that despite the challenges of Omu femuno, the exercise of Omu civic responsibility, they are ready to do it. Whether there is COVID or no COVID, they are ready to do it. Another situation, you can't say about happiness. Now, almost you my hand sanitizers, my station, or my mind in such a way, say, or more mubebano, social distancing, my sister, social distancing. You see, these are the practical situations. It is stimulation exercise, Near happy during the stimulation exercise, practically, and you're not happy. And we saw some of these things because you knew our idea. But you see, the third challenge the EC had in the say, the security services now, I was so much more jumano. Minimum say, a chile and a mom. Taka. Unim say, every time they do electioneering period, you're training young party for no, the security is you're training so that omuni we fall in line. We know the processes. Some of the challenges are happening there. Yeah, you see, who security officer, no or no determine who is a Ghanaian and who is not a Ghanaian, and then you should know say problem or all. As security officers, police for soldier for police for no and who should be a Ghanaian because me swing a report from another crowd there be quite here police for no yeah na binom agigi sika at the back door. That's another illegality. Back door number bebre koso but you see me mfunso no me fama police for no me dey ma electoral commission for no adenti esanse omno mka say police for no enye de omo ya bi omo na wo so omo titi omo. What you here? Okay. Because they are stakeholders. Almost some complementing more effort. Into rules and regulations guiding the registration exercise. I was saying muni FM. Into onu police in na oba honum say onu say the jumani ye two pe. And can social media say police ni she oba asum. What you here? The essence of the policeman is to maintain law and what? Order. Under COVID-19 and 19 protocols, you expect to say your police for bar registration center now. Ensure say queue na ya no. Space maso queue no. There will be some level of orderliness. But you do you know where the orderliness is? Just close to the electoral officials. Asa. Oh, and I think say it is not right. We are putting our people into that COVID-19 situation. Into any panel, your friend saying, more overcrowded outside. Now, if we do officers in any man who see social distancing, does it make sense? It doesn't make sense. Let's say, officers who want to register their social distancing a year social distancing a year more cubicle no more parameters now on my channel but outside it's in there we are putting everybody at risk. And then I say one kasa won kwan ekita yeah you see that is why there is laws there are laws say yenina as nipa da seni ye be behave rationally anka yenchro law and I say mra enfant to hono because yenim say ye beto mra nti no nti na ye di mra to bibia ye to bring law orderliness nti no police for no omo adwuma ne say be maintaining law and order, and then secondly ensure say there will be that social distancing and come here no a anka ye nyina ye be sorry abonsem amom. What you see?
Okay.
But ebimu omu yese na esi se ebimu nso omu I say ade no omu hu ano. And it's because the EC has not taken the trouble to train all those stakeholders together. Because that is where we share ideas. And also another challenge. Unim say ya passing maybe wo memu.
Edembra.
Vigilantism act into law, build into law. Why na e was some enforces our law no.
Police for.
Exactly. Inti no say what say macho for bu nkofo wo police station. Okay? Now we say police for wo hono. Now no arrest is being effected. Ube bisa who say what is the essence of that law? Inti nia yesi aso man ye masa ade ni nsibio mu no. And registration exercise refi. And who near AC? You see, when people start massing up, and we start some taking that level of behavior, all the various political parties, will now be on the defensive. Everybody will be on the defensive. Because my experience back. I was so kind Methodist. I know my can.
I know now.
Debbie, about what?
What's it?
Yeah.
Yeah. There's a woman no are being attacked by Metro people. Both sides. Or be attacked.
On Metro.
There be polling first the registration center one say.
No, but Maminka, what happened? Then you understand.
Okay.
Intina, me the police for no
okay.
Oh. The determination of a citizen, it is all of us, our right. But electoral processes, actually, baby, ube to me, so right, ube to me ISIC, and that the only place how ube to me ISIC that's right, is when the person registers, and then you pick a challenge form to challenge say nipano, on your eligible. And the electoral officer obetumi challenge a potential registrant. Likewise, a citizen who is around
anybody
can do that. You cannot physically prevent people from registering.
No.
What is here? And it's a police ni. Now fi say omo mu gina queue no mu no. Odi we ni hwa omo nya gan for. You don't have the right to treat them.
Now, I sent a walk on mono. Who say Bibisa Koso? How did you handle it?
Yeah, it's in America. And I visited a lot of centers. Okay. And that vigilantism tendencies, are still at the polling stations.
No, one meets vigilante way not to the citizens. Only a police
you see term advisedly. Advisedly. Unim say, Jeffani say, a political party were organizing the boys. Okay. Now, boys in the let's say, they get to the registration center. Yasal line with Honomu. Now, Omujina Honomu no more determine who should enter and who should not enter. What sort of art is that? Oh, a lot of the polling centers, it happens.
Police for the general nature, person room.
Police.
Now, why am
I'm talking
electoral
of
officers, no
citizens, individuals, macho groups in Yamanyama.
1 minute, they macho for no call.
Yeah, you see? Oh, who's that?
Honorable, some may be some person because me bow. When Ubisa NDC,
yeah,
almost say MPP for a day macho for na big ho. Ubisa NPP, almost NDC for a day macho for na big ho. Why no this particular a registration
Hold on.
center what can
Hold
one
on.
me.
Hold on. You see, the issue is not which political party. And I yes idea no. Me principle no.
Okay.
Idea me should say the security services, they know what to do.
They should have called them to order.
Yes. It is a NDC for no my year a polling center. It is the duty of the police to arrest because they know Mwejuma no. What you here? And you Mwejuma no. Sa Ejuma no. Say ube say line no be ko ye ebe bibia no. It is the duty of the security services. Whoa. Mami
Utie Oha Extreme Punk no. Needs FM.